Hello Akshit bhaiya, what are you doing?
Akshara, I am trying to draw something on my tab, but I am not able to draw very perfectly. So I need a gadget that will help me to draw well. But I am not able to find any gadget.
Okay, you can take this. Don't be upset.
Okay, I will try.
This will help you to draw anything you want to.
Okay, how? Let me try. Wow, it really works.
Bhaiya, I said that it will work.
But Akshara, I have one doubt. Will it work on phone?
Yes, it will work.
So
You
let's
can
try.
check.
Okay, let's try now. Oh, it's really working. Guys, if you also want this type of gadget that will help you to use the mobile without using your fingers, so like this video, subscribe the channel and turn that notification bell on. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, material required for making the gadget is, you need to take a pen, a tape, a pair of scissors and aluminium foil paper. So guys, first step is you need to remove the cap of the pen, then this part and then the ripple. Now second is you need to wrap your foil paper around the pen. So third step is you need to wrap the tape on the pen. Now you need to cut this from the scissors. See, now our gadget is ready. So guys, let's try again that it is working or not. See, it is working. So guys, if you also tried making this gadget, so comment down in the comment section. And most important thing is,
Keep chanting Hare Ram. Bye bye.
bye 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 bye.